Hi there, I am Edgar. The topic of this video is to answer the question how to use figurate numbers in Sonic Pi. First, we go to GitHub and then to the gem repository. We open the terminal and install figurate numbers. Gem install figurate numbers. Wait a second. Okay, with the command gem which figurate numbers, we get the path. We copy the path and paste as a string. We go back to GitHub to see the sequences. For example, let's take octahedral numbers. And play. You can see the sequence in the log, node 1, node 6, node 19, and so on. Last step, don't forget to give me a star here. Bye.